Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Orland Hills, local and long-distance movers near me. With our team helping you relocate, you can access to all the following options: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. Getting a team of movers you can count on should be easy. When you need to move 100 miles away or even 2,000 miles away, we're here to help. You can count on our team to help you with your long-distance moving needs. You might be wondering if you need an Illinois moving company for your local move. It's a shorter distance compared to the moving out of state, but it's still a big job. Regardless of how far you're going, everything you own has to be packed up and moved. With the help of our professional movers, this job has become much easier. 3 Movers streamlines the entire moving process, and we know how to get you packed up and moved much faster. Whether you're going one neighborhood over or across the city, we get you there soon. A move that would take you 3 days to complete, we complete in a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Orland Hills moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.